Good evening, I'm Zach Crenshaw. Diane has the night off. Indiana's controversial abortion law drawing protests across the state. This was the scene in Indianapolis. Hundreds of abortion rights supporters rallied at the Statehouse, while pro-life supporters rallied in favor of the law. Similar demonstrations took place in our area today. WSBT-22's Danielle Kennedy was in LaPorte, where demonstrators braved snow and wind to make their voices heard.
Don't tell me that I have to have a child because you think that I have to have a child.
On a cold day, things got heated.
Body, mind, choice.
Dozens rallied outside the courthouse, protesting Indiana's newest abortion law.
What you see happening right now, people are angry. We're upset. My uterus shouldn't be legislated. It shouldn't be for sale.
The new law prohibits abortions on the basis of race, sex, or genetic abnormalities. It also requires that a fetus from a miscarriage or abortion be cremated or properly buried.
I believe that it will protect a lot of unborn children in Indiana from being discriminated against. They're people, and it only makes sense that we should protect them. And for many years, under state and federal laws, we haven't, and I'm glad to see that changing.
Alyssa Roselli was among several pro-life demonstrators who lined up in front of the courthouse to counter-protest.
You hear slogans, my body, my choice. It's not the woman's body that's being chopped up. It's not the woman's body who's being killed. It's the body of a baby.
I have a choice.
We as grown women have the right to make a decision on our own, and that we don't need the government to tell us if we can or cannot do what we need to do for our own choices and body.
Every woman should be able to make that decision. It shouldn't be a government decision.
Pro-choice demonstrators say they want to see this legislation repealed. In LaPorte, Danielle Kennedy, WSBT-22 News.
The ACLU and Planned Parenthoods of Indiana and Kentucky have filed lawsuits against the state. Governor Mike Pence said he's confident the state's abortion law is constitutional. Pence plans on working with the Attorney General to defend the law.